Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel and visiting with me today. I'm going to start off this video by showing you previous layouts that I've created for my traveler's notebook for 2018. This was using the Summer Mood collection, and I have a video if you would like to see. Just go to the playlist for the traveler's notebook. And continuing to work on it, like I said, I wanted to focus on this summer so I don't get far behind on my scrapbooking for this year. So I'm kind of cheating because I don't really want to create like scrapbook pages of the entire summer or every single activity that we do during the summer. So this traveler's notebook is helping me capture those single days that we did something fun, or like a family activity or something like that. So I feel like I'm cheating because I'm not really scrapbooking, but I'm using the traveler's notebook to help me scrapbook some of those days so I don't have like a big pile up. If that just, yeah, that's that's my explanation. So take it or leave it. Very simple. I'm only gonna show you one layout, and then like I do on all my other layouts and pages and stuff like that, you guys will see the additional layouts at the end of the video. At this point, this is project number 3. If you're new to my channel, and you don't know, I like to purchase kits for projects that I have in mind or that I need to complete, but I also try to make them go as far as possible. I don't like to be wasteful, and so this is project number 3 using this collection. At this point, I have already done my planner for July, and I have already done the scrapbook pages. So this is the third layout or the third project using the leftovers of this kit. I say collection, but I think it's really like when you buy it as a kit. So I've cut out one of the pages, and I'm going to use that to cover a complete side of the traveler's notebook, which is going to be the right side. Right now, what you guys see me fussy cutting, I had scraps of another page that had like a lot of background. It was a busy background, so I basically fussy cut some lollipops. I mean, not lollipops, popsicles. They're basically the same thing except one's frozen. So I ended up fussy cutting some popsicles, and I'm going to use that as, I guess, stickers or ephemera, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use that to put it on the bottom of my Hello Summer layout, and then just incorporating this washi tape that's a summer wording. I'm not exactly sure. Remember, I said like I love summer, or beach this way, or summer breeze. I got it from Michael's. It was on sale for, I think they had like all their, it looked like they opened up all their packages and then just dumped all their washi tape to mix match, and they were on sale for like 33 cents. So this is one of the rolls that I had like last year, I believe. So I'm just gonna add washi tape to the center of the book so that it helps me hide like the gap in between the page and the actual notebook. And then I added a little bit of washi tape to the left bottom part of the page, and now I'm going to put my little popsicles on the front of it so that it just gives like something towards the center, I guess, to catch your attention so that it doesn't look completely empty. And I thought that was good. At first I thought I was going to use this to journal, but the page was too pretty to journal. So just wanted to add a little bit of decor to the bottom. I'm gonna cut a 3x4 using this also scrap of paper, and I'm gonna put like a main picture there to introduce this kit or this collection of layouts. And I'm gonna be taking, I don't know if you guys remember when I made I used my scraps of paper to create ephemera that I had already, or to store so that I have them ready for future projects. Well, in saying all that, this is where I got this little yellow tag from. I don't know if you remember that. I ended up making tags with my scraps of paper. So just gonna adhere that to the top of the photo. And then again, if you guys don't remember, or if you're new to my channel, there's a video in there somewhere where I gave the idea of using labels, like mailing labels, to make your own stickers, your word stickers or quote stickers, whatever you wanted to create. It is a little bit time consuming, and you do have to be creative with the words that you want to have so that you're able to use them all year round. And that's what you guys see me cutting right now and sort of shaping so that it fits perfectly into the yellow tag that I just added behind what's going to be our picture base, or our portrait for our picture. And I believe that's going to complete my first layout, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'm going to switch over back to the recording so that you guys could see the final looks. Thank you so much. I'm gonna skip these because you guys already seen these, but this is the layout that you guys saw. Very simple, and I guess it's the introduction to the rest. So this one, and then I used a lot of the stickers there. I like stickers. This layout right here, this one, I loved the popsicle, and this popsicle actually came from this collection, but like I said, it's all gonna be summer 2018 pool pictures and things like that, so I just thought it went really well, so I added that here. This one, just like a little a picture here, and then like a little collage, or not a collage but like a cluster of things there. Journal card, a picture here. It looks busy, but there's gonna be a picture here and then a little small picture here. So this layout here, this one right here, very simple. I thought a little like just tags. I had like this extra and I didn't know what to do, so I made extra. Maybe I'll put a picture here as well. So put that there, and this is my final layout of this collection. So I don't have very much to go. I have like these, and I think I'm gonna finish them out with another summer collection leftover that I have. So just gonna flip through it one more time very quickly, see if you guys like it, which layout's your favorite. The colors on this collection are so vibrant. Like I like it. Obviously, I wouldn't have bought it if I had it. This one came out pretty cool, I thought. There. Here. And the final one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. This is, like I said, my summer 2018 traveler's notebook, just so that I don't get too far behind, and that way I could put this year's summer pictures in here as well. So I'll be working on these extra pages, like maybe in another collection. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon.